I'm going to unbox the inReach SE today. Here's the SE and the Explorer. They're virtually identical models, except this one has additional GPS functionality. They come with the same items, so I'm just going to do the SE today. So you pull this part off. That's what this looks like. There's a little important thing here. And information. Open this. Slide out like that. Some warning thing. So there it is there. There's the belt clip. USB connection. Buttons. Quick start guide. Standard micro USB cable, which you can connect into there, which will be AC adapter, and then a lanyard. You'll notice on the back here, there is a way to power it through there. But you need to get this optional RAM powered mount. That picture shows the suction cup base, but you can get screw down handlebar, all different other kinds. So that's definitely a good way to go if you're gonna want it powered. Now I'm just gonna show you this next to the other popular satellite messenger, the Spot. So it's quite a bit bigger, but also can do quite a bit more. If you have any questions, just send me a comment. Thanks.